this video is showing how to do a shoulder to shoulder carry with your XOXO Buckle Wrap. I am Alexandra from Realizing Mommyhood. If you don't know the basics for an XOXO buckle wrap back carry, you need to watch my other video first. When you're to this point, the first strap will go around kind of like a scarf. Put your chin down so it's not going to choke you. Same thing.
Sorry. I thought I was going to make my sandwich. Grilled cheese. Shh. Oh, I love your video.
Now this one needs to come out and then back in both of them.
Mom, do help me. I can't do this. Mom, I'm tired of doing
Just a
this.
sec. So that is the shoulder to shoulder with an XOXO buckle wrap. Watch my other videos on the XOXO and subscribe for more fun, cool videos. Bye. See you later.